Quaker State is such an important brand in Mexico. You know, my dad, I believe that he has the best restoration shop in Mexico. When I started going to the shop, I was very young and I spent a lot of time there just watching and eventually learning and eventually doing myself. For me, that was the beginning of my racing career, because that was where I got the first love for cars, for speed, for engines. And that's actually how I remember Quaker State. You know, Quaker State was not just one of the products that my dad sold back then, but also I remember my dad having his store and he had Quaker State banners in there. And I think that's super cool, because right now that I get to represent this amazing brand in NASCAR in the United States, I go back, 20 years ago, and I was already in contact with this brand. It's been very, very cool for me to partner with a company that they are so strong in my hometown, with my community, with my people. It's a big responsibility to always think in a way that I have to take care of my people. I mean, it's very, very important to always take care of what is yours. When it comes to racing, the people that build our engines, they go with the best of the best only. When you're fighting for a split of a tenth of a second,
photo finish, unbelievable!
And you're fighting for that extra 2, 3, 4 horsepower, that's the difference. Quaker State for Trackhouse is not just a logo on the hood of the 99 race car. It's also under the hood. They help us develop the best oil possible for the engines that we run in the NASCAR Cup Series.